what I'm preparing for my dinner for today. This is vegetables which has already been fried, and I'm going to make ugali. Here I am going to mingle my portion. This is 3 cups of flour. Mingle. Here is our ugali, which is ready. We are going to remove it from the fire. Our Posh is here. It's ready. Ooh, fire is hot. So here I'm frying some eggs. And I'm going to mix it with this fresh parsley. Then mix with the eggs. I add already some salt. This one here. Use the fire. Here, my eggs are ready. I don't want to dry. The fire is up. So here is our dinner, guys. As you can see, this is what we are having today. We have fish, we have eggs, we have ugali, and vegetables. Thank you for watching. Karibuni sana to eat this dinner with us. Like, share, comment.